So guys, first one is Hangman game. This is a classic Python game that every single Python professional tries out while learning development for Python. It involves a Python module called random that can ensure the randomization numbers or choices in a list. So guys, second one is a Madlib generator. This is a perfect project for beginners who are starting their journeys in software development. The project is primarily focused on strings, variables, and concatenation that will team the participant to manipulate user integrated data. So guys, third one is a number guessing. Number guessing is a mini game and is an extremely simple Python project. The participant have to make a program in which the computer will randomly choose a number. Then the user get a hint to guess the number. Every time the players guess the wrong number, their score gets reduces and they get to choose another clue. So next one is a contact book. This is an excellent Python project for beginners. Contact book is a command line project where the participant will have to design a contact book application that user can use to save and find contact details. The application should also allow user to update contact information, delete contact and list saved contact. Now fifth one is the image slicer. The image slicer is a convenient Python project that has several uses in the future. The program helps the user to get the username and domain name from an email address. The developers can even customize the application and send a message to the host with this information. Now sixth one is a rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors is a good game for beginners to utilize the Python basic and fundamental concept along with the graphical programming part. In this game, two players either choose the rock, paper or scissor in every turn. There is always a winner in turn when both have different shapes. While executing it in the GUI, the developers can create buttons for all three symbols and use if condition to check for winning. Next is countdown timer. Creating a countdown timer is a fun project where the participant will need a Python library called time that will help them modify the interface at each unit of time or second or even minute. This project can be implemented by creating screen widgets and text boxes for an hour, minute and second respectively. Next is tic-tac-toe AI Python project. In this project, the participant will learn to build a tic-tac-toe game where the computer never loses. The project utilizes the minimax algorithm, which is the recursive algorithm used for decision making. So second last is binary search. With the help of this simple Python project, beginners will learn how to implement the divide and conquer algorithm called binary search. This is a common searching algorithm that comes up in job interviews, which is why it is critical to know how to implement it in a code. So guys, last one is a calculator. This project is great for programming aspirant. It is a beginner friendly and will enable them to get good hands-on experience over the GUI Python library. They can add a text box that will show a present number or result. And as advancement, the aspirant can also add the functionality of floating point numbers and will have to perform check if the operands are valid. So okay guys, these are some new 10 Python projects on which you can work upon and develop your application and game with these 10 ideas. So thank you for watching, keeps learning, keeps exploring. भेटूया लवकरच नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. काळजी घ्या. टेक केअर.